Hi everyone. Today, we'll learn how to randomize or shuffle a list in C#. Imagine you have a playlist or a quiz application where you want the items to appear in random order. Let's start by seeing a basic example. Here's my playlist with 5 songs: Song A, Song B, Song C, Song D, and Song E. Notice they always appear in the same order when I run my program. Now, I'll show you a common approach some people use that looks like it works but isn't optimal. I'll shuffle the list using a method involving a GUID. As you can see, the songs appear randomly, but this method can cause performance issues in larger lists or repeated executions. Now, let's look at the proper and efficient way to shuffle our playlist. We'll create a reusable shuffle function that uses the built-in random class. This approach is efficient, straightforward, and suitable even for large datasets. When we run the program now, you can see the playlist is randomly shuffled. If I run it again, the order changes each time, demonstrating true randomness effectively. That's how you correctly shuffle lists in C#. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more C# programming tips.